So if you try to call someone, then you can see the call ended problem. So how to fix this problem? To fix this issue, go to your setting and then go to about phone. Then here you find the reset option. Press on reset and just reset your mobile network setting. Reset it and check your problem is solved or not. If not, then go to your setting again and go to the apps. Then here you find the phone apps. Where is the phone? This option, select this one. Then make sure you have a full permission for call log or message for all, and then go back again. Then you can see the choose default. Make sure your phone is a default option for call, and now check back. If still don't work, just reset apps preference, reset it and then go back. Now if you check, let's try to check how it's working. Now it's working perfectly. If you still struggle, then go back again, then press and hold the phone icon, then top corner the eye icon, press on this eye icon. Now go to the storage, clear all cache and data as well, and now you have to restart your phone by using those button soft reset, and once done, then hope it's now work perfectly. So don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you.